In this video, we'll be using the receiving delivery process as an example. It has a task named Inspect Delivery. This task has a lot of different parts, checklists, links to other systems, and there's even a video to ensure that the inspection of the delivery happens exactly as planned. To use this as a component, simply open up the activity, click on Edit Mode, and highlight the part you want to reuse. Click Create Component, and give it a suitable name. In this window, you can adjust it to make it more of a template that fits more tasks, but if it's usable in its current state, you can simply just hit Create Component. However, don't worry, because you can always come back and change it later. The blocks up here indicate that it has a reusable part. If you wish to use the reusable part, simply delete the rest of the instructions. Afterwards, save the changes, and now you'll see the component you've just created. It is the exact same work instruction. This is now added to our list of components that we can access by going to Components on the front page. If you click on Components, you can find it here. And below the component, you can see where it's being used. And if you edit it here, it'll be changed in all the places it's being utilized. To give you a better understanding, I'll show you an example of how it works. First, we select our supplier selection process, as it has a lot of similar work instructions. Then we'll select Receiving Delivery. If we go to the Receiving Deliveries task, you can see that it has no content. To do this, you click Edit Mode, click Share Component, then simply search the name of your component, pick it, and press Insert. You'll now see the component as indicated by these blocks. Clicking Save Changes will reveal the entire component. This means that if you need to make changes to comply with certifications, safety regulations, or change the entire process due to a change in supplier, you can simply go to Components. Search for the component you need to update. Make sure to have Edit Mode on and add the relevant steps to the component, then simply save it. If you open any of the tasks the component is used in, you can see that they now have the latest updates you've made to the component. This allows you to reuse work instructions, update them once, and they'll automatically be up to date in all the different tasks.